Hello everyone. So I'm very happy to meet you all in a mug painting video. Here is a white ceramic mug that I have, and the person who wanted this mug painted is going to use it as a pen stand, not exactly for consuming coffee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it all with black background and then do some dot mandala designs on it. So I'm painting it black here. So the mug is fully base painted in black. Now I'm going to start dot painting on it. So initially, to start with, I have this gold color. I'm going to keep golden color dots using this tool here as a first layer of dots. Let me start from here. So the first layer of golden dots is done. Now for the second layer, I'm going to keep this light violet color dots. Now I'm starting with the third layer of dots with marine blue. So when you're dotting on a coffee mug, make sure the paint is in a creamy consistency. It shouldn't be too thin, neither too thick nor too thin. So the third layer of marine blue dots is also done. Now I'm going to do fourth layer of dotting with coral red color. So I'll now do the fifth layer of dots with golden yellow color. This is one of my favorite colors too. And now after doing this fifth layer, I'll be doing some more designs here. So the fifth layer of dotting is also done. I'll now start with different designs. Now using golden color and using this tool, I'm going to keep dots here. Now I'm keeping light violet color dots, pretty smaller dot this time. Now using this nail art tool, I'm going to work the dots this one side. Now for the second layer of working the dots, I'm keeping yellow color. So now I'll work the dot with this tool. third layer of working the dots, and I'm keeping dots in full red color. Now I'm going to work the dots.